Hello, my Peppa readers. Welcome back. Today, I brought you a book pack of Peppa Pig. Let's see what is inside. First, we have to remove this package. Uh, we can see here the fire engine. Peppa goes to hospital. Peppa's washing day. Peppa and the big crane. Daddy Pig's fun run. Peppa's big race. Peppa's first pet. Peppa goes to the library. And baby Alexander. You can see the inside of the book is very, very colorful. See, really colorful pictures, nice letters, nice colors. So I'm hoping to read with you in next video this one of this book. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
BookTube Kids.